Hey everybody, it is summertime. Today is July 4th. It's time for hot dogs, hamburgers, family time, and a new truck. I want to show you this truck we just got in. First one I've ever taken in on trade, and probably the cleanest one you're gonna find. So I need you to go find somebody that needs this unit. The side of this car looks good. Nice chrome accents everywhere, exactly where they should. Nice plastic wheel, black diamond edition. Keep talking about that because I've never even seen one of these before. Back seat, great shape. I don't even know if anybody's ridden in this thing in the last 50,000 miles, at least in the back. Look, you can even hook up the old school VHS, sorry, excuse my DVD player, PlayStation, maybe you got an Xbox 360 somebody wants to play. Get the grandkids back here, have some fun. Or put the grandkids back here. Let me do this one first. So this is really cool. Never actually done this in person, but I've seen it online. Alright, got that. Let's fold down the arm. Fits just like a glove. Oh, camera's going crazy. So the back of these seats fold down perfectly. They slide right up in the bottoms of these seats here. Each side has this little lock. Turn that. Got this little lever here in the middle. Turn it. And now you got access to the back right here from the front. That is the key feature of one of these Avalanches. Really cool deal. Comes from the factory with this little tonneau cover back here and everything. Inside is all covered in plastic. It's not going to tear up anything you put in here. Of course, now it gives you the ability to. I gotta get that Chevy somewhere. Looks good. This car is just clean. And now you go all the way. Put something all the way up there. Plenty of space. Let's see how far we can go. Oh, if I could use this camera. There we go. All the way up there. It's nice. Come check it out. Got the navigation, dual climate control. The pedals move, son. What do you think about that? Got the nice steering wheel controls here. Only 83,000 miles on this thing. 83,063. Four-wheel drive. You got your auto. Got your auto. 4 high, 4 low. Automatic lights, of course. But like I said, it's summer, and we need those cool seats. But you also got the heated for the 23 days a year. You'll need that. This truck is here at my Waxahachie Nissan store. Oh man, this is such good shape. Those seats. Interior looks good. Let's check out the back. I don't even know open the back door. Just as expected. Nice and clean, nice and clean. And then, what are you gonna do with this? I don't know. Maybe play PlayStation, I guess. Does anybody play PlayStation anymore? I am not sure. Got this thing in on trade. I've never had one here before, but it is in good shape. If you have any questions about it, please call me. My phone number is 469-765-4883. Come pick up your new friend.